guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Fashion Nova try-on haul. If you guys are new to the channel, I always link everything that I haul down below for you guys along with my current size. I did just have a baby about 4 months ago, so if you are used to like my previous videos and what size I was, things have changed. You guys will definitely probably see that in this video, that a few things didn't quite fit like I would have liked them to, but a lot of them did. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is actually what I'm wearing, and it is this white long sleeve ribbed bodysuit, and I love it because it really zips quite low, so you can position the zipper wherever you want. I love it. It's like it really fits well, I feel like, and accentuates my body. I don't know, I really love it a lot, and I got it in a 3X. And it is made of a stretchy material. It's just like a typical like ribbed material. Okay, I moved you guys down for this portion because I also got these skinny jeans, and they are so stretchy. I love them so much. They're super, super comfortable. They're the perfect length for me, and they're just like a dark wash. I will say there are no pockets here in the front, but there are pockets in the back, so keep that in mind. But the fit is great, and I got these in a size 22. Then I got this really pretty spring like crop top. It's almost like a corset the way it buckles here in the front. It has these little like metal clasps. I really like that touch. And then it also ties up top at the shoulder, which I love as well. I like the fact that the back does have a panel of elastic, so that will help fit more bodies, I feel like. And I picked this up in a 3X, and I thought it fit perfectly. I feel like whenever I order from Fashion Nova, I always find myself in like the more formal dress section, because they have some of the greatest formal dresses ever for such an affordable price, and it's always like super good quality. Fun fact, if you guys don't know, I got my engagement dress from Fashion Nova. I will pop up a picture right here. I am so glad I got like photographed in this dress. It is absolutely beautiful. I actually got 2 of them because before the shoot I was like terrified that one of the lace sleeves or something was gonna rip, so I bought 2 of them. But the most beautiful dress. I got so many questions asking where I got it. That would be Fashion Nova. So once again, I found my way over to the dress section, and I saw this one, which is a little bit more wild than I would typically go for, but it's just like a deep green, a gold, and like a brown, like random pattern. It is long sleeve, and it's definitely like form-fitting bodycon, but it feels so like silky and like very, very stretchy. Oh, it is so good, so good. And I love that it is double lined, so you're not going to have any issues with it being see-through, and it kind of like holds me in a little bit more. So this is in a 3X, and it fit so wonderfully. Okay, another nice one is this really slinky, I mean so stretchy maxi dress, and it is in this really beautiful lime green color. Once again with the long sleeves. I just feel like a formal dress with long sleeves is just so beautiful. I really like the neckline on this one. It's that, I believe it's called lettuce trim, where it's a little bit like wavy. I picked this dress up in a 3X as well, and chef's kiss. All right, another dress. This one is not so much formal. It's just a casual dress, and it is slightly wrinkled, so I'm so sorry, but it is this brown, like almost linen material dress. It is button up like all the way, and it has a tie to cinch you in at the waist. It also has a collar. Now this material, because it's like a linen type material, is not stretchy at all, so definitely keep that in mind. If you are like a 1X or 2X, maybe like size up 1. Once again, I'm a 3X, and it did fit, but I feel like if I could have sized up 1, I would have, which I got this in a 3X. I don't know if I said that. But nevertheless, it is absolutely beautiful, and I love the color of this one. All right, this next little number is a 2-piece set. It is this little like spaghetti strap bralette type of a situation. Definitely not like supportive, so you would still need to wear a bra, but it is meant to wear under this, which is, it's almost like a little like cardigan sort of. It's more like a top, like a very stretchy top, but it has a collar and once again, these like, I don't know what you even call those. Those like corset style little clasps in the front. So you're meant to like barely see the bralette. It's kind of just there to like cover your boobs, but this is so cute. I really love these like types of tops because I like that it just buttons to here and then kind of flows out. I don't know, it's just like, it's adorable. Once again, I picked this up in a 3X and it is made of a very stretchy material. All right, then I got another 2-piece set, but this is a crop top and skirt. And it's like a ripped jean print, like a distressed jean print. This is the crop top. It does tie over here like on the side. And it is fully see-through, so you would probably have to wear like a bralette or like a nude bra or something under it. But it does have this lettuce trim, which is cute. So this is the top, and then the skirt is just a long maxi skirt. And this material, once again, is super stretchy. The bottom is double lined, and I picked it up in a 3X. Thought it was cute. Definitely a little bit more wild than what I would typically wear, but I just thought, you know what, let's branch out a little bit and have some fun. So here we are. All right, who does not like a good jumpsuit? Because I know I do. Like, they are so nice. This one is a like faded black jumpsuit. I think it's honestly made of like a cotton type material because it is very stretchy. The pant legs are very wide. And it's just like a simple basic piece that you can, I feel like, dress up or down. Now this one I did get in a 3X, but I feel like I could have sized down to a 2X because of how like stretchy it is. I don't know, I find that sometimes with like the more wide leg pants, I like to size down just a little bit so it's not like so much fabric. So that is my advice, maybe possibly size down. It also has a zipper in the back if that matters to you guys, but let me just show you like how stretchy it is. It is so stretchy, like crazy. Picked it up in a 3X if I didn't say that, and yes, it is made of a stretchy material. Okay, the last 3 items didn't quite fit, so I'm not gonna try them on, but I wanna show them to you anyway because if you are smaller than me, like they are so cute and you need them. So the first thing is just a basic pair of black skinny jeans, and these are in a 3X. I'm not sure if a 3X is equivalent to a size like 20, but apparently because of these, I'm a 22. So these didn't quite fit, but they are very stretchy. So I'm going to be saving these until I drop some more of this pregnancy weight, but they are just your basic black skinny jeans. And I will tell you, like before I got pregnant, I lived in Fashion Nova black skinny jeans. I mean, honestly, even like their dark denim as well, lived in them. They are just so stretchy and they fit my curves so well. So I'm really excited to like get back into being able to wear them again. But until then, I'm sticking with these bad boys. I know I said it about the black jeans, but also with the next 2 items, I'm definitely saving for when I can fit back into them. But the next one is a bodycon dress. It's like this half and half brown and cream color. It is button up like all the way, but I love that they sewed it all the way down so that way there's no like pulling of buttons. I hate when that happens. Like I really hate it so much, so I'm so glad they thought that through. Let me tell you, this is made of a ribbed material, but it is truly the thickest ribbed material I've ever felt in my life. It is so thick, like it will suck you in for sure. Like unreal. I love it so much. Once again, with the long sleeves, it is more of like a mini skirt or mini skirt. What are we talking about, Nicole? A mini dress with long sleeves, and it's just so cute. Picked this one up in a 3X and it is very stretchy. Okay, last dress is another cute one. It would be so cute for spring and summer, so I'm hoping I can wear it like by the summer. But it is this black and white floral print. It does have some ruching on the sleeves, which is really cute. Has some like ruffle details down at the bottom. It's just adorable. The problem with this one, oh yeah, it does have a zipper going down the back. The problem with this one was that it's not made of a stretchy material, so it just was too tight, just all together. But it is so stinking cute that I can't wait to fit into it. So this is it. I got it in a 3X and it is not made of a stretchy material. All right, you guys, that was it for my Fashion Nova try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do remember that all of the links will be found in the description box below, as well as my size and the link to my Instagram. Also, if you guys have kids in between newborn and the 6-year size, definitely go check out my children's clothing boutique online. I will have that linked down below. I will link our Instagram and the actual website, but definitely give it a follow. Go check it out. We carry lots of neutrals, lots of like super fun and funky like trendy prints, and then also some like neutral trendy Disney pieces as well. So if that sounds like something you guys are interested in, we run sales all the time. We do giveaways all the time. Definitely go check us out. Thank you guys in advance, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.